Smell this.
Good.
Smells like a real flower, and it's actually cherry blossom. Hi, my name is Abigail. Welcome back to Abigail's Craft Time. Today we're going to be doing a great review of do-it-yourself Shea butter soap making kit. And I'm so excited, and I'd like to give a big shout out to Lillian and Matthew for giving me this gift. So thank you very much. And I'm going to have so much fun with it because I've always wanted to make my own soap. Now I'm going to open this great gift and see what's inside. No wonder this is a big box. So these are the molds. I think this is a mixing bowl. Instructions. Wow. So I think this is a measuring jug since it's not a cup. And these are the dyes you can put. And there's a lot. What's inside this boxes? Wow, these are my soap bases. Smells good. Smells like shea butter. And wow, here comes the mold. So I'm super excited to make this soap, so let's get started. So these are the colors I picked. Red and blue make purple, so I picked purple. And you can choose any scent you want, and I chose cherry blossom. So yeah, I also love pink, so that's another reason I love cherry blossom. And also I am so surprised because these have to just like stay out for 12 hours. So I do not have to put them in the refrigerator or freezer. So they just have to stay in the air and just dry for 12 hours. Okay, so now all my soaps have dried out and I can't wait to try them out. And wow, these look fantastic. If you look at these soaps, they have a pretty design on the back. And also I am going to be testing them out with my little sister Anna. So Anna, say hi please.
Hi.
But as you look, there's like this design, like even one of them kind of looks like the Moana symbol somehow. And also these ones are just normal, and we just filled up one because we had extra ones left. So yeah, I am excited. So now we have broke apart soaps, and Anna has one piece and I have one piece. And now we're going to put them in this bowl and see how they work in water. Okay, so Anna, put it in here. Wow. Am I crushing my hand? Wow. This does feel very well. Okay, and that's how you make your own soap. So thanks for watching, and please share, like, and subscribe. Bye!